Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. Hi, everyone. And I'm going to slide the cars into the box. This little box. There. dogs. School. Linda speaks English to me. This is Hot Wheels. This is Cold Wheels. No. Construction birthday cake with all these kind of construction. Minions like couscous and banana, but his nose is a little like stretchy. Done. What? No. That's funny, Dad. Because then I did a funny job with this car. It's funny job. That's a funny job. Whoa. Better let the tire go anyway. There. Go. Wow. The team is swimming. I'll do this later, everyone. Bye, everyone. See you later. Is this train up for Daddy, Mommy?
Yeah, go ahead and do that.
This is a toy that has a kind of an elevator in it. Yeah, it's just a toy, you know? But I'll put this toy car right in there and then make that toy car
Train over there. And this train here. Yeah, the train over there. Can you believe this video was filmed over 2 years ago? I think that was when I was 3, but I know it's not when I'm 2, because that's a baby age.
So 3's not a baby age?
Not at all.
No,
That's
you were
child
already.
age.
Oh, you were already grown at 3. How old are you now?
6, 3 years old.
So
Than a child.
this was like 2 or 3 years ago that we filmed this, yeah?
Yeah. Only 2 or 3. One down or one up.
Do you remember doing that?
Nope. That's what I
Does
had.
it look fun?
Yeah, cars, all those cars, the trucks. Why don't I have those trucks?
Because we moved.
Why did you give it to somebody else?
Because we moved.
That was supposed to be ours. I wanted it.
We moved from Israel to America, so we couldn't bring everything with us.
I only wanted to bring 4 cars that were all those trucks.
But we do have most of your cars that I brought.
Yeah,
You happy about that?
yeah.
Yeah.
And now we got most from this size of box to this size of box.
Yeah. And you still love playing with trains?
Yeah.
We have
Not
lots of
really
trains
a
too.
lot. I like playing with cars better though.
Oh, you like cars better than trains?
Yeah.
But trains are kind of like cars, just on rails, right?
Yeah, I don't really like things on rails because they usually make a scraping noise.
I see.
I like the.
All right.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye. Is it my video now? Thank you for watching. Bye. One video is over.
Almost.
Bye. Bye.
I'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe.
Me too.
I wasn't talking to you. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.